Welcome to English Language Academy. The Poor Man's Dream. Once upon a time, in a small, quiet village, there lived a poor man named Ali. Ali was kind, hardworking, and generous, even though he had very little to give. Every day, he worked long hours in the fields, cutting grass and carrying heavy loads of firewood. Despite his hard work, Ali barely earned enough money to buy food. He lived in a tiny old house with a leaky roof, and his clothes were patched in many places. Ali's greatest wish was to live a comfortable life and to have enough money to help others in need. However, every night when he lay down to sleep, he felt the weight of his poverty on his shoulders. Still, he kept working day after day, never giving up. One day, as Ali was walking back from the forest with a heavy bundle of wood on his back, he saw an old man sitting by the side of the road. The old man looked weak and tired, with tattered clothes and no shoes on his feet. Ali stopped and asked, "Sir, are you all right? Do you need any help?" The old man smiled weakly and said, "I am very thirsty. I have not had a drink of water for hours." Ali quickly took out his small water bottle and offered it to the old man. After drinking, the old man thanked Ali warmly and said, "You are a good and kind man. Not many people would stop to help a stranger. Tell me, young man, what is your greatest wish?" Ali was surprised by the question. He thought for a moment and replied, "I wish I could live a comfortable life, with enough food, a warm house, and a little extra to help those in need." The old man nodded and said, "You have a generous heart. I may look poor, but I am a wise man who has traveled far and wide. Tonight, when you sleep, keep your faith strong. Good things will come to you if you keep working hard and helping others." Ali thanked the old man and continued on his way. That night, Ali went to bed feeling a bit lighter. He didn't know why, but he felt that his life was about to change. The next morning, Ali woke up to the sound of clinking coins. He sat up, rubbed his eyes, and looked around. On the floor beside his bed was a small leather pouch filled with gold coins. Ali could hardly believe his eyes. He picked up the pouch and counted the coins. There were 20 of them. With the gold coins, Ali was able to fix his old house and buy warm clothes and enough food to last him for several months. He was overjoyed. But he didn't keep all the gold for himself. Ali remembered his promise to help others, so he shared his wealth with those in the village who were struggling. A few months passed, and Ali's life was happier than ever. However, one day, he found himself back to his usual earnings after the gold was spent on necessities. He started working hard again, and as he did so, he continued to help the villagers whenever he could. Ali found peace in his daily routine and in the joy he brought to others. Then one evening, Ali saw the same old man he had met by the road months before. The old man smiled and said, "Ali, I see you have used the gold wisely. But remember, wealth alone doesn't bring happiness. True happiness comes from the kindness you give to others and the hard work you put into life." Ali bowed respectfully and thanked the old man for his wisdom. The old man then handed Ali a small seed and said, "Plant this seed near your home. It will bring you good fortune, but only as long as you care for it." Ali went home and planted the seed in a sunny spot by his house. He watered it every day, even when he was tired or the weather was bad. After a few weeks, a beautiful plant with golden leaves grew from the seed. Ali found that every morning, a single golden leaf would fall from the plant. Ali knew that he could live comfortably as long as he took only one leaf a day. And so, he did just that. He used the leaves wisely and continued to help others with his good fortune. The villagers admired Ali's kindness, and soon he was known as the man who brought blessings to the village. Ali lived a long and happy life, not because he was rich, but because he had learned the true value of generosity, hard work, and kindness. The plant with golden leaves stood by his house as a reminder that even in difficult times, a kind heart can bring light into the world. And so Ali's story spread far and wide, inspiring people to remember that happiness is not about wealth alone. True happiness lies in kindness, in sharing, and in a heart that never loses hope. The end. Thanks for watching English Language Academy. Subscribe now.